Hi guys, welcome to another travel vlog. Join me as we travel and explore Lake Minnewanka. Showcasing to you the beauty of Alberta. Alberta is known for its glacier-colored, beautiful, and scenic lake. So this is our first stop at Banff National Park. We're waiting for the others. And luckily, hello to our Canadian Pacific Railway train. On our way to Lake Minnewanka, along the roadside we found some wild animals and we were so amazed. We slowed down and take a picture and videos, and to our amazement, we found not only just one but there's a lot of them. So we're here at Lake Minnewanka. It is a large glacial lake 3 miles from the town of Banff. It is one of the most visited lakes during summertime. It is popular for picnics, mountain biking, hiking, canoeing, diving, and a wintertime snowshoeing. You can also go fishing, diving, and some hiking trails, mountain biking, and boating. And the only lake in Banff National Park to allow limited use of power boats. They also offer a scenic boating cruises with an interpretive tour guide that can tell you about the rich history and local lore of the lake and surrounding mountains. There are also boat rentals and kayak rentals if you want to explore the lake on your own. You can also explore the lake through biking, but trail is closed between July 10 and September 15 to reduce the risk of wildlife encounters. This lake is also great during winter, a different kind of experience. You can do cross-country ski trail. And fun fact, Lake Minnewanka is one of the best places in Banff National Park to view the northern lights. For more videos and travel vlogs, Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you to places where you want to go.